In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function. In my test data, we have a list of products and sales figures for each country it is sold in. We want to find out what the total sales are for each type of product. To do this quickly, we can use the SUMIF formula. I have created a table here, which is where I want my totals to appear. We need to type the formula equals SUMIF in open brackets. This should tell us what we need to fill in next. So the first function is the range. This is asking us what item we're going to be looking for. In our example, the range is the products we have sold. To do this, we can go ahead and select the whole of column B by clicking on column B. Now we can type a comma to close the current function and move on to the next. The next function we need to enter is a criteria. This is asking us what item we want to look for from the range products we have just defined. In this example, the first item we want to look for is fridge, so we will click on fridge. Now we can type a comma to close the current function and move on to the next. We need to enter sum range next. This is asking us where the data is that we need to summarize. In this example, the data that we want to summarize is the sales figures. Therefore, we can select the whole of column D. Once this is done, we can close brackets and click enter. This should show us the total sales figure for fridge. We then can drag down the formula so that it shows us the figures for all the other products. And there you go.